Hi, my name's Justin Reed, and welcome to the Shine Shop. Today we're going to take a look at the new RapidLock hose fittings. So with our old hose fittings, a couple of the common issues that we have are the connection pieces up here and having to come out and always tighten them up and always make sure they're tight up at the top in the metal fitting. Also on the handles, we have to have our staff come out and constantly monitor the ends and making sure they're in the holsters properly. There's always a hissing sound here unless they're really tight. And with the claws, they're also loose down here on the end. You can hear the hissing down there. Another common issue we have is when the metal fittings come loose and the hose falls down, we have to have our staff come back out with a ladder and climb up there and plug it back in. As you can see, the RapidLock fittings are much more secure. They're easy to take off and pop back on. They don't have the hissing sound like the old set does, and our staff isn't having to come out here and monitor the hoses and find them on the ground anymore. With the old fittings, you can see the gap and hear the hissing sound in the connection. Unlike the old fitting, the swivel here is a lot tighter, thus reducing the amount of noise. Installation is quick and easy. Simply replace the hose fittings on your existing hoses and lock them in.